Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing this beautiful, I am deeming this the Frozen kind of look, or my take on the It's Code or I'm Code look, whatever that little makeup trend was. But I got this palette from beautybay. It's the New Mood palette, and I had to play with the blues and the purpley duochrome right away. Here's a look at the palette, here's some swatches, and to get started I'm using the WetnWild eyeshadow primer and the Hourglass loose powder under my eye to catch the fallout we may have. Despite the fact that there being a bit of kick up in the pan, these aren't that much, they don't give you a lot of fallout on your eyes. So the first shade I'm taking is this like periwinkle cornflower kind of shade, and I am going to put that in the inner half of my crease, so just halfway in the inner portion. And next up I'm taking a slightly darker companion to that shade, which is I guess more of the cornflower shade. Really like the cornflower, so the first one was more like the periwinkle and this is more of like the cornflower kind of shade, and that's going on the other half of the crease, and these blend so nicely and seamlessly together. If you've never tried beautybay formula, what are you waiting for? They have sales all the time. I'm going to link the website in the description box below, as well as a product list. These shades are amazing. I'm going to take this matte navy blue and I'm going to use this on a dense pencil brush. Notice the placement of my hand. I'm holding it in the middle of the brush, and that's going to give me more control. The further back you hold the brush, like I'm showing, it's going to give you loose control, so that's the way you should hold your brush for blending. But hold your brush in the middle for more control if you're stamping and really want to build up shades. So that is what I'm doing here in the outer corner. And all the shades, once again, blend absolutely seamless. Stunningly beautiful palette. This is a strange color story, but it just works. It's absolutely stunning. And notice how when I use beautybay palettes, I do not have to use any spray to foil the shimmers. They are just true metallic shimmery shades, and they are so nice. Absolutely, every one of them are stunning. They're gorgeous. And that shade was like this blurply shade on the lid. I know I cannot talk enough about the formula of these eyeshadows from beautybay. So beautiful. So I just wanted to do blue, like a frozen wintry type look, even down to having white lower lashes, which I thought was really fun. Here I'm just taking that dark blue on the lash line. I'm using this NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin to highlight with, just kind of blend and bring the crease shade down. I love the transition of fade in the crease that's going on. That is seriously, that and the brow bone are two of my favorite parts of a eye look. They just blend so nicely. And see, here's like the fallout and the kick up in the pan, but I don't have a lot of that on my face. So I'm going to take this shimmery white shade in the palette, and I'm going to put a little bit of that under the brow bone to highlight. And then I am also going to be using that shade in the inner corner, I believe. Once I have that, I'm going to spritz my brush with a hard candy setting spray and apply the white shimmery shade in my inner corner. And I don't necessarily have to do this, but I wanted to do this so that way it would just adhere where I wanted it and I didn't like have a lot of fallout on the eye. Oh, once that is done, oh, it looks absolutely stunning. I'm using the WetnWild Breakup Eyeliner to tight line with. And the LaColors Neon Blue Eyeliner. I forget the name of this eyeliner, but it's just a neon blue. And I'm using the AOA Studio 3D Foam Ink Lashes in Amanda and their Lash Adhesive. I love these lashes. They're gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. They are spiky. Love everything about them. Okay, and these are, I find that AOA Studio lashes are always very easy to apply, and I just adore them. They are so nice. So once the glue dries, I'm going to take my eyelash curler and mesh my real lashes with the false lashes. I'm using Makeup Revolution Blowout Mascara, and then I'm going to use some Kryolan Aqua Activated water makeup, some cream makeup, and I'm going to take that on an eyeliner brush, and I am just placing it on my lower lashes like they have like little icicles or something. I love how this look came out. I hope you guys enjoy it too. It was a fun look to do. It's very icy and frozen, and it definitely speaks I'm cold kind of look. I just wanted to take my own personal take on it. And we're doing blue lips. It's the Maybelline lipstick in Midnight Blue. And I put a little bit of the duochrome eyeshadow in the center of my lips. That's our finished eyes. That's our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more tutorials using the Beauty Bay eyeshadow palettes I have. I just ordered more. Absolutely love the formula. Definitely should try them. I thank you guys so very much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like these. Check the description box for additional links as well as the cards, and there's a product list. And thank you guys always for watching.